and welcome to our rig. This is a 2003 Newmar Dutch Star model 4004. It's 41 feet long and it's a diesel pusher with a 350 Cummins. So up front here in the driver's cockpit, I've got a couple of things that I've added. A Garmin 770 RV GPS, and then I have an RVI brake tire pressure monitor system and RVI brake controller with its own display down there, which makes it very handy when I'm driving down the road. We've also added a dash cam as well to record as we're going down the road to ensure that if something happens, we've got some documentation for it. Here we've got a little storage and seating unit. It originally had a very heavy, very ugly flex steel recliner. We also got rid of our original chairs, and this is our second iteration of chairs. We ended up buying theater seating that was pretty high quality so that we had a comfortable place to sit. Here is our dining area and our workstation. The workstation, the hutch that goes over the table, was custom built for us by our son-in-law, and it includes, you know, fold down keyboard, outs for the cable runs, space for our laser printer.
So I don't cook on the stovetop unless there's an emergency where the power is out and we can use propane, so we keep it. So this is extra counter space for me. And then down here I've got storage for basically every single thing I used on any kind of a regular basis in my house. Just all kinds of toys and some bougie things like canning stuff and a sous vide unit and stuff like that. So we got lucky. Brian found this double sink with a huge side, or a huge wash thing on one side and then the smaller sink over here, so that works super well. We also this flip up countertop helps us maximize the space. So we drain our dishes here, and we've got our little Berkey, and the trash can is underneath here, so it kind of all fits. The backsplash that you see is smart tile. It looks nice. This was the best job I did, although Brian had to go back and glue down a bunch of them because they kind of popped up. It was kind of a pain in the neck. I don't know that I would do it again, but we're pretty happy with this. People ask about the knife rack here. It's convenient storage. We do roll all the things up in the towel when we travel because those magnets are not super strong. We did have them fall off because we just tried it just to see. And then these magnets, these spice jars, the particular brand is Nice Spice, G-N-E-I-S-S. We don't have an affiliate account, but maybe you could open one. But these magnets on here are crazy strong, and we've never had any of them fall off. And I've got my whole spice collection in a very small space, which I love, and it's pretty. And then we were lucky enough in this rig to get a couple of things that we didn't ask for. So bonus storage space with this hutch, and it was just two kind of huge cavernous disorganized spaces, and we bought and Brian installed these pullouts, so it really helps us maximize our storage space. We can get at all of it, because otherwise it would just be kind of a junk heap in there like it is up here. So one of the things that we really liked about this rig, we're just two people, we don't need an extra bathroom per se, but it really helped that we got the extra sink in the bedroom. So it's not a second toilet or shower or anything like that, but it helps getting ready time. The bathroom is just pretty standard RV bathroom, toilet, sink, nothing special. Did the smart tile in there. If you want to see how terrible a job you can do with smart tile, come see me. We can show that up close and personal. One of the other things about this rig that we did not like, but it kind of comes with the territory, they're like 10 or 15 years behind in the style curve. So much in here was gold, and Brian replaced a lot of it, but some things weren't impractical. One of them was the original shower door in here. You know, you got to find a shorter one and just all of that craziness. And then when we didn't do it before we took off, so you're trying to replace a shower door and do upgrades when you're living in the rig, it's a pain. So this is actually, it was super easy. We had it shipped to us. It's a Nautilus shower door. This is just like a film, and it gets squeegeed off every time you open and close the door. And it wasn't that expensive. I want to say it was about $220. Brian said the install wasn't that bad, and we haven't had any issues with it at all. Brian put that in, so, and it's on a swing arm. Huge deal, but it's just nice. It lets us tilt it, whatever, and then he put a little seat belt in here so we can strap it in and it'll stay in place when we travel, but it's convenient. Oh, washer dryer combo, and I'm in the middle of doing a red load. So this is really great because it does do small loads, but I really can't complain because that was a must on our list to not be beholden to going to the laundromat. So we go to the laundromat if we have to wash like a comforter, and that's pretty much it. Everything else we do in the washer dryer combo, and we make that work pretty well.
All right, thanks for taking a look at our rig, and we hope to see you out on the road.
Bye.